We're at Alton Towers and we're going to show you everything in the Splash Landings Hotel. Well, here we are, Splash Landings Hotel and Waterpark. So we're going to have a little walk around, try and show you as much as we can. Yeah. Let's get straight in, shall we? Oh, very good, isn't it? I know, yeah, I can't see everything. Yeah. But it's very fancy in here, look at that. I know, it's really well themed actually, isn't it, to be honest? So this is the entrance, the lobby. The lobby, is that what it's called?
Tracking just over there. Yeah. Kind of that desk as well.
Yeah. Loads of little seats and things. Yeah, so we have a little walk around and see what we can find. So, this is the bar area and entertainment for the evening.
Yeah, we have got some footage of when we stayed at the hotel last, so we'll pop it in now.
Oh, my love, where did you go? Where did you go now? I wanna know.
But it is good, the entertainment's on the stage. The kids absolutely love it, don't they?
Indeed.
It's absolutely amazing. And the adults like the drinks at the side, don't they?
Yeah.
Should we go have a look at that? Hotel Information Hub. I've not seen that before, have you?
Yeah.
That's pretty good. I don't need more towels and things, pillows and anything like that. I've never noticed that. It's really good.
Nor me.
Perhaps it's a new thing.
I suppose you want that drink that area.
Oh yeah, if you have seen the golf, have hosed me a drink. Are we going to claim it here?
If you want to.
Yeah, I'll claim it in now. I'll claim my reward for only just scraping my win in the golf. Oh, you got a menu here?
Yeah, lunch menu, served 12 till 3.
That's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah, so loaded fries and pizzas and a few little light bites.
Oh, that's not bad. I didn't know they did that.
No.
That's really good, actually.
And then we know about the late night pizza, so I think it's like till 11 p.m. you can get this.
Yeah, it's really good.
So they start from £13.50 up to £15. I would have thought you got the annual discount on that.
I believe you do. I'm not 100% sure. Always ask the question. You never know.
Yeah.
Oh, I've claimed me drink, Ev.
Yeah.
They do laugh and scream, so I've gone for one of them. It's a nice little treat.
Nice.
One thing we do like Splash Landings is the outside section here, though. It's always lovely, isn't it?
It is lovely.
It's very bright today, though, isn't it?
Very.
Should we have a little seat then? We'll enjoy our winnings.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's a classic event, it.
Yeah.
We do like a little meal deal. It's one thing they do allow you to bring your own little food in.
Yeah.
I suppose it's within reason. I wouldn't order a curry to the hotel.
No.
But a little bit of a sandwich or a pizza or something. Yeah. Tuck into our lovely snack picnic and Splash Landings. Oh, they've got some characters here, haven't they?
Yeah, that's really cool. His name's Ringo.
Ringo the raccoon.
Raccoon, yeah.
Bye. Oh, he was really good, wasn't he? Oh, Splash Landings, full of surprises. Oh, I enjoyed my refreshments, my wedding drink. Make sure you check out the golf video. We had loads of fun, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
Right, so we have a wander around and see what's left in the Splash Landings Hotel. So there's toilets this way. We've always gone down the stairs. The toilet's down there.
Down the stairs that way.
Oh, we'll find out. Well, there's a nice big chair here, haven't there? Oh, does it do anything?
Don't know.
Oh, winner bears. There we go. Hey, that's ace.
I just can't get out now.
Oh, there we go. And then you got your ice cream for your winning prize there. The Shack have. We do love a good shop, don't we, to be honest. I do like how they got shops in the hotels as well. Get a few little extra bits, can't you? Have a look at some of their stuff. It's all really stuff from inside the pot. I like how they got that deal on here as well, though. I like that. You've got your hairy creature here, Ev.
These little things as well.
Them little things.
Oh, they've got
Oh, no, not them. No. No. Warned you about that, haven't we?
Oh, I want this bag.
That bag, 25 for a bag's not bad. I assume you get your discount in here as well, to be honest.
Yeah, you would have thought so. When I got the postcards in the other shop, I got my discount.
Yeah, so I'd like to think it still applies. I like how they got some little bits though.
Fish travel mugs,
I know, we're really tempted. Can we have a Nemesis one as well, please, Towers? And then we'll get one of them. Which we do still need them. I mean, you got your Disney one, didn't you?
Yeah,
But it's a few months in now, need a new one, don't we?
yeah.
Plenty of chocolate and things keep you going. Oh, pick and mix as well. And Pez. Oh, so you can get your sweets and get a few little bits and a few little souvenirs. What more can you need?
Exactly.
Nice little shop, won't it, Ev?
Yeah, it was.
What have we got here? Have you seen there?
Your own fantastic name.
Right, so what's yours, Av?
Mine's pipes. Oh, that's funny. And Neoma.
Pipes Neoma. And what's mine?
You are fish.
Fish.
And sailor. Oh,
Fish sailor. Fish sailor and pipes Neoma.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, should we go down the stairs then, Av? It's just next to the entrance thing to the left here. And this is where Flambos and the actual water park are down this way, aren't they?
They are indeed.
See a few little signs there. Right, let's have a look what's down here. Very exciting. Well, we're down the floor, Ev, aren't we? And this is Flambo Jambos floor.
Yeah, so you can come here for breakfast, and then they do dinner as well, which is like an all-you-can-eat buffet.
Yeah, it's really nice to be honest. We've had breakfast and dinner here.
Yeah, we are, and I'd rate it, definitely.
I'd rate it, to be honest. It is a little bit pricey, but we are at a theme park, aren't we, to be honest?
Yeah, and we'll chuck you a few clips in if we can.
Oh, that is a plate, haven't it?
I know, we've got
I've got a good one as well.
curry, Bombay potatoes, little poppadoms, naan bread, chips and rice.
Oh, it's like we're having a Friday night curry, isn't it?
Ooh.
Oh, lovely stuff. And just in case we don't show you guys, it's just some of that other bits. So that's like chili, rice, pasta, stir fry, more rice, a bit of a Sunday dinner style thing. Yorkshire pudding there. Oh, shepherd's pie. Very nice. And that's the kiddie corner there.
It is.
I did enjoy my kiddie corner meal.
These look really nice, I'm going to have one.
Oh, you put me one on as
Yeah,
well.
why not?
You're lovely. About in the middle. There we go. Yeah, all your little bits there. And there's some of the jams. Yeah, very nice, very impressed. But it's all you can eat. It's very nice. Again, as we said, we'd highly recommend it. We literally ate here not long ago, and it seems to be a new menu as well. Nice and refreshed and things. Peri chicken, that was nice, wasn't it?
Really nice.
Yeah, so we recommend Flambos. Definitely have a little eat there. Let's have a little more of an explore around Splash Landings. What have we got in here?
That's the arcade.
The arcade. Oh, wow. Well, now this is this is massive, man. That's crazy. We like there. You can get Pokemon cards from Alton Towers. Oh, look at them. I'm not too sure of we used to be big into Pokemon cards, but we don't really know. Fusion Stripe, we used to have a few of them, didn't we?
Yeah.
I don't think they do evolutions or generations on their hour sets. Let us know in the comments, guys. We'll trade you. This is a pretty crazy arcade, haven't it? It's like Blackpool or something in here, isn't it? Bit of something for everyone as well. Oh, it's really good. Someone's winning big today, aren't they? More Pokemon now? In there. Oh, what have you found? Pokemon card. Oh, what?
Pokemon.
Oh. Can you see what they are? Oh, yes, we can have a little look, guys. Right, so they're mostly not the best of ones. So, oh, there's a hollow, mischievous.
And these are the bowls.
Oh, they're good. They're about 15 quid they are as well. And then you can get something back there. I'm not too sure. I like this, Ev. How much is this?
Pound per play.
£1. I haven't got a pound on me.
No, and it
Oh.
doesn't take contactless, otherwise I'd let you have a go.
I know, yeah. Well, next time we're at Alton Towers Splash Landings,
Coming here.
we're coming here.
Win
For Pokemon. We got the prize redemption. What prize is coming again?
Wireless charging speaker. Oh, that looks cool.
The whiskey set. Babble Battle. Is he a wrestler? I don't know who he is. Harry Potter? Oh.
There's a few bits behind.
A few bits behind, so you can get some stuff with your prices. Oh, it's like Blackpool all over again. More Pokemon, because they're everywhere, we've just noticed, haven't they? All the Stitch there as well. What's his name, Lee, right I don't know his name. So we've got some of the lifts to the bedrooms back there. So they're all generally on the right-hand side, the rooms, I believe, at Splash Landings.
I think so, yeah.
And we have got the water park just down there, next to the arcade, as you can see there.
Yeah. We've got a clip of it lit up at night, because obviously you can't film when people are in there, so we'll pop that up on screen.
That's it, yeah. And we're just not going to go down there, because we don't want to be filming around stuff down there. But it's just down there, you can't really miss it.
And it's fantastic. We've went for the first time this year, and we'd so highly recommend it.
We really would, wouldn't we? Master Blaster, that's the one, isn't it? That's the good one, isn't it? We really like that.
That's really good.
But no, really, recommend the Waterpark. Whole Splash Landing, it's a really nice hotel, isn't it?
It is indeed.
Oh, so we have got another little thing to show you here as well. Sort of sneak. We can't show you that way, so we'll stay this way. But you can walk through to the other hotel, which is pretty cool. So it is very warm. So we'll see you at the other side of these walkways. Oh, we made it through, haven't we?
Yes, we have.
And we're technically, there's a conference centre there. We're technically on the way in the other hotel now.
Yeah, we are.
We are in.
Just go.
We are in the Alton Towers hotel. We have transferred across the other side.
You want to check out everything from this hotel? Then please do.
Escape to Alton Towers Resort.
Oh, so it shows like all the different.
Yeah, that's Splash Hotel. That's the walkway. We're there. And we're walking through.
Oh, and we'll come up there in just a moment.
We will indeed.
Very good. As if by magic, we have made it up, haven't we?
Yeah.
To the Alton Towers Hotel. It's a very nice view as well. But as you said earlier, if you want to see everything in this hotel, check that video out soon. Well, we hope you've enjoyed our little stroll around Splash Landings and ended up in the Alton Towers Hotel.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope we give you a few little tips, a few little things you know what to expect on your stay here. But if you like this one, guys, leave a like, subscribe. See you soon. Whoop, whoop.